Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get energy in the Sims mobile game. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you launch open the Sims mobile application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the game, you will be able to see the selected Sims energy level at the bottom left-hand corner. Energy is essential for performing various actions such as completing events, hobbies, and interaction with other Sims. There are several ways to get energy in the game. The first method is to wait for natural regeneration. Energy replenishes over time. Simply wait for your Sim to gain energy and your Sim's energy bar will refill naturally. Each Sim you have on your game has their own energy bars. You can switch between the Sims by tapping on the Sim icon and tapping on Go There or Call Over. You can switch between Sims to continue playing while waiting for other Sim to regain their energy. Another way you can gain energy on Sims Mobile is by completing the daily to-do list. Simply go ahead and tap on the little calendar kinda icon at the bottom right-hand corner after you select a Sim, and you will be presented with list of quests you can go ahead and perform. Check your Sim's daily to-do list, which provides a list of tasks to complete each day. Completing the task will often reward energy point as one of the prizes. Also watch out for bonus rewards by tapping on this kind of an icon where it shows you the play option. Simply tap on that and watch a small video ad in order to gain bonus rewards, which may also include cupcakes that are consumable item that instantly refills a Sim's energy bar. You can also earn cupcakes as rewards from completing events, leveling up, or as daily bonuses. Progressing through the relationships, stories with other Sims can also sometimes reward energy points as you reach certain milestones in the story. Also make sure to participate in stories, participate in events, complete tasks, and earn rewards in order to replenish your energy. If you are willing to spend Sim cash in order to purchase energies, you can instantly refill the energy Sim bar. You can go ahead and buy cupcakes by tapping on this shopping bag icon at the top left. Select the boost option from the list and choose the type of cupcakes you would like to buy, and you can also purchase cupcakes with Sim cash. By utilizing these methods, you can effectively manage your Sim's energy levels and ensure that you have enough energy to engage in various activities and interactions in the Sims Mobile. So that is how you can easily get energy refills in the Sims Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.